Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to, and this is the front of the bar, I'm going to install a couple of these halogen combo lights in addition to the strobes. These halogen combo lights are going to do a couple of things. It's going to give me the ability to add some lighting to the front in addition to the strobe. And if I have on a tow truck bar, if I have an accident somewhere and we don't necessarily want to run all the strobes because of the flashback, we can just run the halogens. We can program it so the halogens will flash in the front rather than the whole strobe bar. Maybe it's the halogens and a couple of strobes. A couple of things about halogen maintenance. These halogen bulbs, so this is the H27 SN12. You don't want to handle these with bare hands. Your hands have oil on them, your fingers, and what will happen is that residue from the oil will eventually create excessive heat on the bulb surface, and it burns them out very quickly. Or makes the glass cloudy and all fogged, which diminishes the light quality. So what we're going to do is before we install these, we're going to clean them off really well with just some rubbing alcohol and to make sure they're oil free, and then we'll insert them in place. See if I can do this without putting down the camera. Alright, let's see. So again, what we did was we just throw some alcohol on a paper towel and just gently rub it, get all the oil off of it. Alcohol is going to evaporate pretty darn quickly, so it's not going to leave any oily film on there. And then with the paper towel in your hand, just going to go ahead and insert this into the light. Now, what's nice about these halogens is they have a notch on them right there that prevents you from installing it wrong. Just got to get the bulb into the notch and just kind of get it seated, get the pins seated, and just kind of push down. Easier said than done, huh? There we go. And you don't want to push too hard, just push down firmly. Just give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's in there. And again, not touching it with your bare hands. And that's it. It's all set up.